This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming basic prerequisites, then start the workaround. First, update your Switch Lite system and connect it to stable Wi-Fi so network features work. Next, sign into your Nintendo account and enable internet settings. Once done, open the Switch browser workaround or prepare a smartphone for casting. You need that device to access YouTube since the Switch Lite lacks an official app. Follow each step precisely to keep your console safe and online. Now you'll perform the detailed installation and configuration. If using the eShop browser trick, navigate through the store pages to trigger the web viewer and load YouTube. You'll need correct DNS or network redirects to reach the page. If you choose Homebrew, follow verified guides to install a streaming app, making sure to back up NAND and use trusted payloads. Meanwhile, set up your phone or PC for casting or remote playback, because that provides the practical video feed you'll use on the Lite. Finish by testing playback and locking in settings that keep YouTube usable. Play several videos to verify audio and controls, adjust brightness, and ensure latency is acceptable for streaming. If the browser or Homebrew method stops working after an update, revert DNS changes or uninstall the temporary tweak until a new method is available. If anything goes wrong, reboot your Switch Lite, router, and casting device. Then recheck network settings and software versions. That simple restart fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.